How to customize archive extraction options in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control how compressed files are extracted on your device. First, open File Explorer and navigate to the zip or RAR file you want to extract. From there, right-click on the archive file and select Extract All from the menu. After that, a window will pop up showing the destination path where the extracted files will be saved. At this point, if you want to change the extraction location, click Browse and navigate to whichever folder you want the files saved to. From here, check the box labeled Show Extracted Files when complete if you want File Explorer to automatically open the destination folder once extraction is finished. Following this, click Extract to start the process and Windows will unpack everything into your chosen location. After that, if you want more control over how archives are handled by default, you can install a third-party tool like 7-Zip, which gives you additional extraction options when you right-click on any archive file. From here, with 7-Zip installed, you'll see extra options in the right-click menu like Extract Here, which extracts everything directly into the current folder without prompting for a location, and Extract a Folder Name, which creates a new subfolder automatically named after the archive. At this point, these additional options make it much faster to extract files without going through the standard extraction window every time. Finally, to set 7-Zip as your default for handling all archive types, open 7-Zip from the Start menu, click Tools, then Options, and use the File Association checkboxes to assign it as the default app for whichever formats you want it to handle. That's how you customize archive extraction options in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.